Writing a grant proposal can take significant time. For small nonprofit teams, preparing an application often involves gathering program data, drafting narratives, developing budgets, and coordinating staff input. Before beginning that process, many grant professionals recommend reviewing a few key factors. These checks can help determine whether an opportunity is worth pursuing. At Lakeside Community Learning Center, Program Manager Michael Turner and his team have adjusted their grant strategy over time. Instead of immediately beginning new applications, they pause to review 3 questions. If the answer to any of these questions is unclear, they spend more time researching the opportunity before proceeding. The first step is confirming basic eligibility. Many foundations restrict grants based on factors such as geographic location, nonprofit status, program category, or organization size. These requirements are usually listed in the funder's application guidelines. According to guidance published by the National Council of Nonprofits, reviewing eligibility criteria early can help nonprofits avoid spending time on applications that do not meet basic requirements. If an organization falls outside those requirements, the application may not move forward in the review process. The second step is evaluating program alignment. Most foundations clearly describe the types of initiatives they support. These priorities often appear in funding guidelines, annual reports, or foundation mission statements. Research resources from Candid recommend reviewing these materials carefully. If the language describing funded programs does not resemble your organization's work, the opportunity may not be the strongest match. Alignment between a nonprofit's program and a funder's focus area is often a central factor in grant decisions. The third step is examining past grants awarded by the foundation. Many foundations publish lists of recent recipients. Public records such as IRS Form 990-PF filings also provide detailed information about grants awarded in previous years. Looking at this information can help nonprofits understand the types of organizations funded, the geographic areas supported, and the typical grant amounts awarded. If several funded organizations resemble yours, that may indicate a stronger potential match. After adopting this approach, Michael's team at Lakeside Community Learning Center noticed a shift in how they approached grant opportunities. They spent more time reviewing funder information before beginning proposals. As a result, they applied to fewer grants, but those applications were more closely aligned with the foundation's priorities. Grant funding will always involve competition and uncertainty. However, reviewing eligibility, program alignment, and past funding patterns before writing a proposal can help nonprofit teams make more informed decisions about where to invest their effort. Sometimes, the most important step in grant writing happens before the first sentence of the proposal is written.